Animal Tales by Carle. The Barking Dog. How the dog barks. He thinks that he sees a black cat sitting up in this tree. The wise cat knows she won't have to flee. The brown dog is barking up the wrong tree. Ding! Big or little, a little fish swam out to make his way in the sea so wide. Maybe I won't succeed, he said, but at least I can say I tried. His older brother stayed at home. He liked to know that he was the biggest fish in the little pond. Here no one's bigger than me. Ding! Rise and shine. The rooster is an early bird. Each day at dawn his call is heard. His cry is loud, his voice is firm. All early birds, go catch a worm. How soft is a kitten, soft as starlight, soft as silk, soft as purring over bowls of milk. Look, 5 bowls of milk, blue, pink, purple, green, orange. Ding! Remember this. Elephants' memories are the sharpest yet. They remember everything, they never do forget. Ask Mama Elephant. She'll curl her trunk in thought and say, I can't remember the last time I forgot. Ding! In a nutshell, the mouse found an acorn. She gave it 3 big whacks. She worked hard for her dinner. What a tough nut to crack. One easy rule. Here's a rule to help you stay as happy as can be. Keep as cheerful as a cricket. And as busy as a bee. Ding! Small but mighty. There's no way to know how high a frog can go until you see him jump. The king of beasts. When he roams through the jungle, he's out to impress every beast that he meets. He's a roaring success. Ding! Wet, you bet. Granny Hen woke up feeling pert and pretty. Just the day, she thought, for a walk to the city. Storm clouds gathered. What happened then? There is nothing madder than a wet old hen. Ding! On his own. Most animals like to live in a group. Cows in a herd. Kangaroos in a troop. Then there's the lone wolf. He travels light under the stars in the still of the night. Ding! A different color. Sometimes something's different, too odd to ignore. That's a horse in a color you have never seen before. Blue horse, what? Ding! Up and away, like an owl. A gull. Or jay. Spread your wings and sail away. Will you sink or will you fly? You won't know until you try. Squish, squelch. If you're looking for a happy pig, just wait till a flood turns puddles into mud. Ding! Shh! This puppy dog barks and howls morning and evening. She yips and growls. Grr. Now that she's resting, we'll tiptoe by. She's quiet, it's peaceful. Let sleeping dogs lie. Ding! Monkey business. What are they planning? Where, when, and how? What monkey business are they up to now? Look, that monkey's got him by the tail. That one's upside down. This one's talking to a mouse. Silly monkeys. Ding! A rainy day. Rain, rain, come and stay. That's what a duck would say today. We like water any old way. Nice weather for ducks, a duck would say. Quack, quack. Ding! Spots forever. Leopards have spots. They cannot change them, even if they'd like to rearrange them. Ding! There's always one. In every flock, there's always one who, when told to walk, would rather run. And that same sheep In that same flock, when told to run, would rather walk. How many sheep do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 sheep. 12 if you count that one. Bing! Eagle eyes. Down on the ground there's a fox. A bear. A goat. A snake. And a speedy hare. The eagle soars in the clouds up high. He watches them all with his eagle eye. Ding. The end.